Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this unit. This is style 017 from the Freetress Equal Lite series, and I got her in the color WINE-SWIRL. Stay tuned. And welcome back. Okay, so I took a little time off this week. I went out to visit family in Rapid City, and I'm back now, so I figured I better get a unit out for you this week. This is Freetress Equal Lite Wig Shake and Go collection, and this girl is in the style 017. Now, I did get her in the color WINE-SWIRL, which is what is featured on the packaging. If you guys celebrate Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving Day and weekend and all that. And if you don't, well, I just hope you had a happy week. Okay, so all I have done is taken this girl out of the packaging. She is, she doesn't have any lace, y'all. She is just a full cap unit or halfway. Here she is. But look at her color. That's pretty. That is gorgeous. Okay, like I said, she has no lace to cut. She does have these little, funny little, and I don't know if you can see them, fibers sticking out right there. I don't know how that's going to look. But let's get into her cap construction. Okay, y'all, she has no combs in the front. She has, I have a cat meowing. She has no combs in the back, but she does have the adjustable straps, and her cap construction is a full mesh stretchable inside. Okay, all right, so it says you shake and go with these, so that is what we're going to try to do. All right, here we go. Let's get this girl on and see how she looks. Again, there's no combs. Let's get her situated back on my head a little better because she's a little forward. Okay, yeah, these are weird. That's it. She has no parting space. And I don't know what to do with those. I guess they do tuck up and under. It does say that she is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. So you could curl this unit to get her to lay just the way you want. I think she's laying okay. Yeah, you guys, that is all I've done with her. That is it. This is what she looks like. That was easy enough. Okay, let's take a look at her on the right-hand side. And in the back. This feels pretty short. Usually they're not that short. Okay, and then here she is on my left-hand side. And look at that. Isn't that really pretty? Look at that color. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. I would take a little bit of styling gel and just make sure she stays a little bit out of my eyes. But that's all I do with this girl. She's cute. I think I will wear her. Now, if you have leave out, you're going to have a much better camouflaging ability than I have. But for what it's worth, it's not terrible if I set her a little bit back. So you can just see a little bit of that hair there, and I'll just make a part. Okay. But this is how I wear this girl. She's cute. A little bit of styling gel, and I think she's ready to go for me. I think she's cute. Again, I picked her up at Sam's Beauty. You can check that out. I will put a link in the description to where I got this girl. This is she. Freetress Equal Shake and Go Light Wig in the style 017 in the color Wine Swirl. That's all I have for you guys today. Again, I hope you had a fantastic week. While you're here, please click like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. That way you are alerted every time I upload a video. That's it. I will see you guys later. Love you. Bye.